Did you hear that? The sound from the other room. You didn't? Okay, hold on, I got this. Shit, what's going on? I can hear men. Yeah, there's certain men, like, why would there be so many men in the room? Oh shit, I can hear someone like with an accent, I think it's a Russian. Do you know Russian? Do you know Eastern European? It's just, hold on. I got this, okay? Just, no, don't move. Don't do anything. Like, it's dangerous. Why would they be talking like, oh, it's getting worse. Like, they have guns. I tell you, they have guns. Like, and someone is typing very, very quickly. Yeah. It's just, what's this password they're talking about? And I hear woman. It's always about women. You see, it's just, yeah. There's a woman, and they're all laughing out loud. And wait, it's up. Oh my God! I just heard my name. Like, I know that it's about the password. It's all about the password. It was a mistake to come here. You know, it's just it's the Secret Service. I'm quite sure it's the Secret Service. Man, we're all gonna be screwed. I tell you, why would I? I shouldn't have accepted to come here. It was a trap. I should have known it from the very beginning. No, don't do anything. It's too late now. It's just fucking, we're all fucked. Why would I accept to come here? Like, why would I do that? Oh my God. Oh.
Mr. Mozaffari?
Yeah?
The doctor's ready to see you now. Come in. I'll take those. Fucking loser.